Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by pairing and prepping the Apple Pencil. Charge it, enable Bluetooth, and open Notes. Once done, create a new note and glance at the tool strip. Choose the pen or pencil tip that matches your stroke. Make sure palm rejection is active by holding naturally. This prevents stray marks while you write. You'll feel the responsiveness immediately. Press harder for thicker strokes or switch to the highlighter for emphasis. This sets the foundation for smooth handwriting and accurate inking. You write as if on paper, using pressure and tilt to vary lines. The Notes app captures strokes as vector ink. Once done, use the lasso tool to select any section, move, resize, or copy it into another note. That's how you structure content quickly. Make use of the built-in ruler for straight lines and scribble to convert handwriting to text when needed. Once organized, tap the folder or share icon to rename, file, or export your note to keep everything retrievable and tidy. You finalize by reviewing strokes at full zoom, then export as PDF or image for sharing. Choose the resolution and include markup if necessary. Make sure iCloud Sync is turned on so edits appear on all devices. This prevents lost work and lets you continue elsewhere. If the pencil becomes unresponsive, first check Bluetooth and battery level. If that fails, restart the iPad and repair the pencil. That simple restart resolves most connectivity hiccups and gets you back.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.